Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to add Supabase to your Lovable project. And please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. Before starting, make sure that you already have a Supabase project created and you already have your Lovable, and make sure that you've already logged in. So yeah, first you must open your Supabase dashboard like this, and you will click on your project, then go to the settings and then API. Then you will copy your project URL and add a public key, and you will use them to connect. Now you will have to go to Lovable, which we already are in, and now you will open your project, which is right here. Make sure that you already have your project so you can proceed to the next step. So yeah, from the sidebar you will click integrations after you click the settings, and then yeah, you will see this option right here, or this section, which is integrations, and then go ahead and click add integration if you do have that option. So yeah, you have to make sure that you do have the full access to the full version of the website so that you will be able to do this. So you will click the add integration option, and then you will select Supabase from the list, and then you will paste your URL and add-on key. Then you will click connect, and after that you will see a confirmation message showing that the integration is active. If you don't see Supabase in the list, then you must check settings, and then you will see data sources instead. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.